Hello everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on a lot of things, but right now I'm working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment number 41, and I need blue paper, so I have this blue background. I need something I love, which is nature, so I have these nature stickers that I'm going to use at least one of, and I need something you find underground, and where is it? I'm going to use a little acorn sticker because the squirrels bury them underground, and I need something underlined, which I'm going to skip and instead use a postal item, which is this antique or vintage postmark stamp. And I need a clothing accessory. So I have glasses, a watch, and a sweater. I think I'm going to leave the glasses out of this one. And these guys I don't need either. And that's it for this one. So this is going to be kind of weird, another weird one. I need my nature scene, which I think will do this one. I love being outside in nature. I'm just going to kind of put this one down on the bottom. I feel like I'm going to need something in here though, you know? But maybe I'll just put the stamp there. Who knows? We'll see. And I think I'll also put this one down on the bottom. So there's my nature. I need my little acorn. And we'll just kind of put that. Maybe I'll put 2 acorns. And like this. And my little stamp is going to go there. I got to make sure I'm doing it in the right direction though. So I need a scrap paper. Let's see. I've got paper falling all over the place over here. I don't think this one is going to work. Let's see. Oh, I guess it will. Alright, let's go ahead and put my little postmark there. I think I do need a bigger, I don't think I have black though, that's a problem. Maybe I can do this. Okay, and it's going to go like this. Oop. Alright, so that worked. Gilbertsville, New York. My husband used to be the postmaster there before he retired. So, let's go ahead and glue this down. I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac for that. And then we can glue down the other things. We finally had some rain today, or well, last night I should say, and this morning. And the leaves are looking better, prettier. I don't know if it has anything to do with the rain, but they usually do look better the second week of October, so I think that's probably why. With the rain also, it's been so dry. Okay. And, oh, I forgot about these things. Don't want to lose those. So they're just kind of going to go like that. I wonder if I could put some kind of sentiment and then just underline it, and then I'd have everything I need. maybe I'll do that. All right, I could actually put a sentiment right on here and then there'll be an underline on it. That's an idea. All right, let's get some glue on this. I think this one's out. Well, maybe not. It kind of looks like it's almost empty. And this has to go like that. That's upright. Would you consider a watch and a sweater a clothing accessory? I think I would. I am for this purposes of this collage. All right, so let's look for some words that might work with this. Oh, I have blue words too, but that might just blend into the background too much, though. All right, let's see what we got. I think we'll do black. Find your purpose, celebrate life, find balance, embrace imperfections. Maybe we'll do that one because, well, I'll do it maybe like right here, right there, and I still have to find a little one for up here. Find your voice, choose compassion. I need a little one though. Love wins. Let's do find joy, although I do believe love wins. So that's going to go there, and I can put love wins on too. Why not? All right, so we'll put this one like that. So that is my collage number 41. Blue paper. Something I love is nature. Something I find underground is acorns. Something underlined is the sentiment find joy. Clothing accessories are my sweater and my watch, and this is my postal item. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you again next time. Bye bye.